Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Printify print-on-demand platform My Supplier Network review. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that connects e-commerce entrepreneurs with a network of print providers. It allows you to create and sell custom merchandise, like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, without having to handle inventory or shipping yourself. It's targeted towards anyone looking to start an online merchandise business or expand their existing product offerings. Key features include a wide product catalog, various printing techniques, and integrations with popular e-commerce platforms. Their website provides all the details on their pricing structure, which is based on the product and printing method chosen. Printify boasts no hidden fees and no upfront costs, as you only pay when an order is placed. They emphasize the ease of use of their platform and the breadth of their supplier network, giving you more options and potentially better pricing than competitors. They utilize various printing technologies, including direct-to-garment, sublimation, and embroidery, depending on the product and supplier. You can browse their product catalog and explore the different print providers available on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Printify. Getting started was remarkably smooth. I connected my Etsy store in just a few clicks, and browsing the product catalog was straightforward. I decided to test with a simple t-shirt design and chose a US-based supplier offering direct-to-garment printing. Uploading my design and setting up the product listing was intuitive, thanks to Printify's user-friendly interface. I appreciated the mock-up generator, which allowed me to visualize the final product before ordering a sample. The sample arrived within a week, and the print quality was excellent. The colors were vibrant, and the fabric felt comfortable. I then placed a few more test orders with different suppliers and products, including a mug and a phone case. While the t-shirt and mug quality were consistently good, I noticed slight variations in the phone case print quality depending on the chosen supplier. Navigating the dashboard and managing orders was a breeze. I especially liked the order tracking feature, which kept me updated on the production and shipping status. I did have a quick question about integrating with another e-commerce platform, and their support team responded within a day via email, providing helpful instructions. One minor drawback I encountered was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, which would be convenient for managing orders on the go. The standout feature for me was definitely the vast supplier network, which offered a wide variety of products and printing techniques. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Printify. While it has a few minor quirks, like the lack of a mobile app and slight inconsistencies in print quality depending on the supplier, it generally met my needs and provided a seamless print-on-demand experience. That's my overview of Printify print-on-demand platform My Supplier Network review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.